Hello everyone and welcome back to Lana Decor. Are you dreaming of rolling hills and cozy stone houses? Today, I am showing you how to bring that timeless English countryside warmth into your modern space. We are exploring beautiful ways to capture the cottage aesthetic without a full renovation. Let us start creating your cozy sanctuary together. Transform your modern kitchen by displaying a collection of mismatched vintage china on a rustic wooden plate rack. These delicate floral patterns add a layer of history and soulful charm to sleek, contemporary walls. It is about celebrating imperfection and heritage, turning everyday functional items into a beautiful, nostalgic focal point that tells a unique and personal family story. Soften the sharp lines of a modern fireplace by draping dried flower garlands across the mantelpiece. Using lavender, roses, or hydrangeas brings the organic beauty of the countryside indoors all year round. This simple touch adds fragrance and a romantic, weathered texture that perfectly balances minimalist architecture with the wild, untamed essence of a classic English country garden scene. Lighting is essential for creating atmosphere, so consider swapping minimalist lampshades for traditional pleated fabric versions. Choose soft pastels or tiny floral prints to create a warm, diffused glow that makes any modern room feel instantly more intimate. These classic textures introduce a sense of timeless elegance, bridging the gap between sophisticated urban design and cozy cottage interior warmth. Introduce natural textures into your living space using oversized woven willow baskets for stylish storage. Whether holding firewood or extra wool blankets, these organic pieces break up the flatness of modern flooring and furniture. They provide a tactile, handcrafted feel that is deeply rooted in rural tradition, helping your sleek apartment feel much more grounded, authentic, and truly lived in. Bring nature inside by curating a gallery wall filled with vintage botanical illustrations and pressed flowers. Use mismatched gold and wooden frames to add a sense of history and curated character to your modern office or hallway. This dense display of greenery and art creates a sophisticated, academic vibe that honors the classic British love for the natural world beautifully. Give your modern bathroom or side table a nostalgic makeover by adding a ruffled fabric skirt. This charming detail hides storage while introducing soft, Victorian-inspired movement into a space with hard edges. Choosing a subtle ticking stripe or linen fabric keeps the look sophisticated and fresh, proving that traditional cottage elements can coexist beautifully within a contemporary home environment today. Copper kitchenware is a staple of the English countryside, bringing a warm, metallic glow to the heart of the home. Hang aged copper pots and pans on a brass rail to create a functional yet stunning display against a modern backsplash. These pieces develop a beautiful patina over time, adding a sense of rustic luxury and timeless culinary heritage. Gingham is a quintessential cottage pattern that brings instant cheer to a modern dining area. Use checkered fabrics for cafe curtains or seat cushions to introduce a playful, graphic element that feels both nostalgic and modern. This simple addition creates a cozy, communal atmosphere, reminding us of slow mornings and farmhouse breakfasts, regardless of where your home is located. Nothing says comfort like a hand-stitched patchwork quilt draped over a modern bed or sofa. These artisanal textiles bring a burst of color and pattern that instantly warms up a minimalist room. Each quilt feels like a piece of history, offering a tactile connection to the past while providing the ultimate layer of coziness for a contemporary bedroom sanctuary. Turn your modern kitchen windowsill into a mini herb garden using aged terracotta pots. Growing rosemary, thyme, and basil in these rustic vessels adds life, fragrance, and a touch of earthiness to your cooking space. The weathered texture of the clay contrasts beautifully with sleek countertops, bringing a literal piece of the English countryside into your daily home life. Create a sense of sanctuary in your living room by installing floor-to-ceiling heavy velvet drapes. Deep colors like forest green or burgundy provide a dramatic backdrop while blocking out the noise of the modern world. The lush fabric adds a layer of opulent texture that transforms an open-plan space into a snug, cozy retreat perfect for long winter evenings. Introduce a sense of history to your modern kitchen by installing a rustic stone or brick backsplash. This raw, textured element mimics the sturdy hearths found in traditional cottages, providing a grounded contrast to polished surfaces. It adds immediate architectural interest and a feeling of permanence, making your cooking area feel like a warm, inviting hub for family friends. A traditional plaid or tartan wool throw is the perfect accessory for a modern armchair. These classic Scottish patterns introduce a sense of warmth and heritage that instantly makes a room feel more established. Draping a blanket casually over the furniture invites people to relax and stay a while, bringing a touch of Highland comfort to your sleek interior design. Soften the silhouette of modern sofas by using relaxed linen slipcovers in white or cream tones. The slightly wrinkled, effortless look prioritizes comfort and practicality over stiff formality, which is the essence of cottage living. This approach makes your living room feel approachable and cozy, creating a space where family and pets can feel truly at home today. For a timeless bedroom look, opt for a classic black or white wrought iron bed frame. Its airy, nostalgic design provides a beautiful contrast to modern industrial materials like concrete or glass. This simple structural choice adds a sense of romantic history to the room, creating a peaceful and charming sanctuary that feels like a quiet escape to the country. Transform a large modern window into a charming reading nook by adding a thick cushion and plenty of floral toss pillows. This creates a dedicated space to pause and enjoy the view, mimicking the cozy alcoves found in old stone cottages. It is a perfect blend of modern architecture and rural comfort, providing a snug spot for quiet reflection. From vintage china to velvet drapes, these touches make any house feel like a countryside retreat. Focus on textures and history to bring that English charm home. I hope these ideas inspire your next decor project. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to Lana Decor for more inspiration, and tell me your favorite tip in the comments below.